or I'm just going to go bankrupt, but I'm not going to end up in prison because I'm going to turn it back on and people won't sue me. But you're done. The decisions that were made at Robinhood today should land everybody who was involved in those decisions in prison. Prison. It really is that analogy. Someone's like, good analogy. It is. Oh, I don't like the way this game's going. You know what? One guy, we're playing football 11 on 11. We're losing in the fourth quarter. This team now gets 20 guys. You get 11. This team has to throw the football with a fucking 3,000-pound boulder. They get to use a fucking Nerf ball. I mean, what are we doing here? Everyone knows what was going on. You adapt. Listen, I said this rant 2 days ago when the Reddit stock started going, and it was Wall Street Bets and AMC and GameStop. I said, you adapt or die. You adapt or die. You understand the retail traders. You understand they can manipulate markets and create momentum stocks and all that. You understand it. You adapt or die. Apparently not. Apparently what Robinhood and the fat cats and the hedge funds do is they just change the rules. They just change the fucking rules in the middle of the night without telling anybody. I was trying to think in my mind, like, how do you even do this? If you're Robinhood and you're like, I'm going to be a scumbag like you've never seen before. I'm going to be the ultimate fucking scumbags. And I'm just not even going to tell anybody that, oh, you can't buy AMC. You can't buy GameStop. You can't buy Knock, but I'm not going to tell anybody. I'm going to try to force them to all sell it and go bankrupt. And all the people who bought it, every day, Jimmy's and Joe's, we're going to wipe out all their gains, all their money, and say, fuck you, too bad. I'm like trying to think in my mind, how do you even do this in a way? The only thing I could think is the second that you decide you're trying to end this game, you freeze it. You don't tell anybody. And whatever you have in your bank account at that point, people can either take, but they're crashing the market. You got to hold, by the way. If you have it, you got to hold, because this can't go on forever. If there's, and you know what? This country is so fucking crazy now. Maybe you can. Maybe there are no rules, and maybe there's no law, and maybe we've officially become the jungle where you can do whatever the fuck you want. And what we thought was law and order and basic fucking rules, the stock market, the SEC, maybe that doesn't matter. Maybe that's all a farce. Maybe we're in the Matrix. We thought there were rules, but the real rules are hedge fund managers and the rich guys on Wall Street are the only guys allowed to win, and they're going to win and cheat and steal and change the rules midstream. So, you know, if you think a stock is going up and you're making money, they may just turn around and be like, up is actually losing money now. So every dollar it goes up on AMC, you're actually losing. We switch it midstream just because it helps us. Like, that's on the table. Everything is on the table. Hold that line is right. Hold that fucking line is right. Unbelievable. And how is cost still up? Because what, are they just picking and choosing which ones they fuck with? This is I've never seen anything like this. Literally insanity.